Welcome to the first ever Papahānaumokuākea Marine Debris Project Hack-A-Thon, where you will design, build, and test your own marine debris cutting tool in a race against other contestants at the obstacle course. The Papahānaumokuākea Marine National Sanctuary is the largest marine sanctuary in the world, spanning over 580,000 square miles. It's made up of 11 islands and atolls and is home to over 14 million seabirds, 90% of Hawaiian green sea turtles, 80% of Hawaiian monk seals, and 70% of the coral reef in the United States. In some ways, it is one of the most beautiful and untouched ecosystems in the world. But there is a silent killer lurking in the shadows and the sunlight. Actually, it's everywhere. The ocean currents bring over 115,000 pounds per year of abandoned fishing nets, also known as ghost nets, to the reefs of the sanctuary, and an even larger weight of nets and other debris to its shores. This causes catastrophic effects by smothering large sections of coral and entangling, drowning, and debilitating a wide range of endangered species that seek refuge in this critical habitat. However, there is hope. In the last 5 years, our team has removed 1 million pounds of marine debris from the sanctuary, freeing up this habitat for its inhabitants to thrive once again. Removing these nets is a multifaceted operation that is currently bottlenecked by our ability to cut them. Sometimes it takes up to several days to remove huge nets that can weigh up to 22,000 pounds. Our marine debris technicians used the Spyderco knife for decades, then upgraded to the rope slayer, more commonly known as a bread knife, and we have now been experimenting with a range of existing cutting tools and ones we are fabricating ourselves. However, we believe that there is a magical net-destroying weapon out there waiting to be invented, and we are calling upon every craftsperson of every size, age, profession, and industry to see if you may wield the power to defeat this great enemy of ours and bring peace to this aquatic sanctuary and all of its endangered inhabitants.
Build your own lightsaber, you shall.
Over the next 5 months, you shall let your imagination, skills, and strengths run free while crafting and testing a tool that will be presented to the world at the first ever PMDP Hack-A-Thon at the Gladiator Arena, also known as the Waikīkī Aquarium, where it will be tested in a rigorous obstacle course filled with marine debris, nets, and other challenges. Only the bravest will survive this grand trial, and from the ashes a victor will emerge with a new weapon of inconceivable abilities that will bring about a new era of net removal efficiency and at last bring peace along the reefs of the sanctuary. In addition to receiving eternal glory, the champion and other competitors will be awarded a variety of prizes from our sponsors. Please note that our engineering team will be available to assist contestants in design, prototyping, and construction throughout the entire process. And don't forget to check out our website for more details. And please do not hesitate to reach out if you have any other questions.